Hello Zimbabwe, hello Zimbabwe. Keep on learning, guys. Thank you so much. Okay, so this is how you play Hakuna, Hama, Kupinda Jesu. Alright, so let me explain this video. Let me explain this song from the beginning of how you start to play the song. You're going to be playing the song in the key of F sharp. So you will start from F sharp, and then you're going to add a B over C sharp and an F sharp, but on your left hand you will be holding an F. So it's going to sound like this, and then you go to a B, and then you're back to F sharp. So there's this transition, and this transition looks like this. You're going to be using 2, back to 1, then 5, then back to 1, back 5, and then back to 1 again. And then there's another part where the song goes like this. So you are going to be starting on 1, and then 2, then 1, and then 5, then 4, then 1, then back to 1, and then for this transition it's going to be 1, 2, 1, 5, 1, 5, 4. So the song goes like this. And I'm going to do it a little bit slower so that all of you can see. So that is how you play Hakuna, Hama, Kupinda Jesu.